For today, what I would like you to do is go back and log on to Tinkercad, and when you get there, please go from the square Tinkercad, go to Learn, and from there choose Lessons. From Lessons, you're going to go down and say See All Lessons, and when you get to See All Lessons, what I'd like you to do is you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and this one right here says Die on the Workplane. You're going to click on it, and this will give you all the skills. You should be able to do all the skills for Tinkercad if you're using Die on the Workplane. So apparently I've already done it once, but the instructions are going to be here on the left. There's 11 of them to put basically the numbers on the dice and move it around. When you get it done, just make a screenshot of it and turn it in, and you'll be done for the assignment for days. So this is do this assignment and turn it in, and have a great day. Take care.